girl Cutie with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a Valentine's inspired look. Well, since we're in November and it's Valentine's week, we're gonna be doing a red week or red series. So since we're in February, it's gonna be a red series. So we're gonna be doing red colors, makeup, red DIYs, so on and so forth. So let's get started into this look. So since I'm inspired by Valentine's Day, I'm gonna go and try to do kind of like some Valentine love inspired look. I don't know for sure yet. Usually I just go and just do the makeup and then hope for the best. But I have kind of like a few things in my mind that I planned out, so I'm gonna try to do that. So first up, so we're gonna need our foundation. Don't mind my hair, guys. Right now I'm hiding it up because I have another video for you guys. So stay tuned on my channel to see my next video that's gonna be red on Wit Week where I do my hair. It's kind of peeking out. Ooh, that's no sneak peek you're gonna get. You don't know what's gonna happen next, so stay tuned. Gonna go all in with my foundation first, which with my foundation is always like kind of tends to like hide my brightness of my face, but I end up still having you still see my brightness on my face even when I have foundation, but you don't see as much as when I don't. So I'm gonna have to go in and like bronze it out to make sure my brightness still stays there, because I already got highlights all over my face. As you can see, like I'm shining here. I shine all over my face, like my zone, my cheeks, ears, my neck too. And I'm bright. I'm a star, so that's why I shine bright. So I'm gonna get all my foundation on my neck too. Gonna beat it up. So when I'm on my spare time, I binge watch The Vampire Diaries, and let me tell you, that show has me hooked. Now I can't stop being like in the fantasy world of werewolves and vampires and witches and all that stuff. I'm like really into that. My whole room is basically decorated by that. Which I'm also revamping my room. If you have not seen my TikToks, so go to my TikTok. I'll link it down in the description box below, so you can go over to my page and check out my TikToks where I've been revamping my room, giving you guys kind of like sneak little peeks of my room. So that's enough foundation. As you see, it's all applied to my face. Now I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows. After I do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow and all that jazz. So I'm going to use this LA brown tint, kind of like shades in filling my eyebrows, because as you can see, guys, when I put foundation on, you don't see my eyebrows. But once you see my eyebrows without it, oh no, I gotta brush my eyebrows first. Duh. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of like straighten my eyebrows out instead of being so curly and like you won't see it fill. Which one part about like right here where my eyebrows is, I have hairs and that like always bothers me. Does that bother you guys? Leave that comment down below if it bothers you, if you guys has like eyebrow hair that you don't want, because that bothers me a lot. I don't know why. I just think it shouldn't be there at all. But sometimes you have stuff on your face that you don't want, like my friend over here, Mr. Pimpy the Pimple. Well, it's going down a lot better. I had did the toothpaste trick to make sure like kind of like not being so swelled up all the time. So now it's like kind of like a little dot, but it still bothers me like, but it doesn't want to let me shine today, so I have to live with it. But since I did a toothpaste trick, now it has gone a lot better. It's now not have like irritate my skin, make me feel like, oh, there's something on my face, I gotta get rid of it. I just end up kind of like taking it in my own hands and just do this. So now I'm gonna go in with my brush and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. We all learn somewhere for how to do our makeup. I'm learning from my mom because she does her makeup so well that I want to try and do my makeup like that. So I've been getting like a few lessons from her. So everything I learned is from my mom, because we always gotta learn from somewhere, and I chose to learn from my mom. I'm gonna go with my concealer, this one, and I'm just gonna go around, trace my eyebrows. Now I'll take a little bit of this and go all around. This part is kind of scary. My favorite character from the TV show is definitely Bonnie. TVD, which is actually The Vampire Diaries. I love Bonnie. She's like the very noble and also caring about her friends. She also cares about her family, and she's a witch. So because I also like witches. I like every other characters on the show, but my favorite is definitely Bonnie. Why? Because I can kind of relate to her more as a person. because she's very caring, compassionate. She always try to do the right thing, always trying to help out people. I don't know, I've always been like wanting to be like kind of like, I always like the witches, the vampires, all the ghost stuff, the like fantasy fiction, all the time. And when I found TV shows that like portrays it, I was so like livid. I'm like, okay, I'm definitely gonna be watching this. I'm gonna be watching Supernatural, The Vampire Diaries, the originals, even Legacies. If you guys see me out of the frame, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do my makeup and also like trying to make sure everything is coming up to line, because I got my mirror behind you guys while I'm looking at you guys. I especially gotta do this eyebrow much better than this one, because I don't have a peak right here where my eyebrows is, but I have one right here. So I have to try like kind of like make my own one. My favorite out of all of those, like all four of those, the originals, Vampire Diaries, Supernatural, and Legions. I haven't watched Legions yet, so I can't say for sure about it. Out of the three, like Vampire Diaries, originals, and Supernatural, my top favorite is the originals, the Supernaturals, then the Vampire Diaries. Even I hear that pin drop, I know everyone's gonna be like, you don't like the Vampire Diaries? I kind of like it, but I mostly love like the originals and Supernatural more than that one. But which character you guys like from the originals? The favorite character, either Elijah, Rebecca, Cole. Mine is Klaus. I don't know why. I just really like Klaus. When I saw him on the Vampire Diaries, I immediately liked him. Yeah, that's good eyebrows. Yep, I like my eyebrows. My eyebrows. Okay, now that is done, I did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna kind of like give myself a glow back again. So I'm gonna take this bronze booster, medium to dark shades. So I'm gonna take my fan brush and I'm gonna just kind of lightly touch these and lightly take, because wherever the highlights you got on your face before is what you need to bring out when you like highlighting. So mine is right here, so I'm gonna lightly touch this and here and here. And I can, like, my nose, it definitely needs more because that's where I get most of my shine. So I'm gonna darken up here, and then on the tip of my nose, then here. And boom, you got your glow back. Not that much, not too little, just enough. I'm gonna go a little bit more over here on my nose, because my nose is mainly where all my shine is. It's over here. Just gonna lightly touch that part. There you go, more of your shine back. Now I'm gonna go with my eyes. Now I'm gonna go and take my eyeshadows. Where's my eyeshadow palette? Well, that sucks. I don't got red eyeshadow. How do I know I got red eyeshadow? Guess I can go with pink. Kind of like that. Where do I have no red eyeshadow? Got this pinkish, but that doesn't go with. How can I got no red eyeshadow? I'm back. So now I'm gonna take some of this black eyeshadow right here. I'm gonna dab a little bit up here. And I'm gonna go in with my, start from the bottom over here and work my way. I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna go over my eyelids. Not too much of it, but this much. Now I'm gonna let the less dry, so this is the part I don't like. I have to wait. I'm not a patient person, as you guys kind of know. I'm not real patient. It's really hard for me right now to not open my eyes. Kids, I can't sit down there too long, so I have to like keep doing stuff. So I'll be right back with you guys when this is finished drying, because this is gonna like take for a bit. That's gonna take a bit. Be right back. Okay, kids, I'm back and I have finished my eyes. Now I'm going to try to go in and get some glitter on them. So I want them to shine. Gonna glitter them up this time now. Shoot, I like to be big and bold and with my makeup or with anything I do, so I'm gonna do that with my makeup. I'm gonna be big and bold with everything I do. Ain't that looking pretty? Now that's out the way. I can do my lips, which is gonna be probably the finished look of everything. Well, I'm gonna outline my lip. Where's my black eyeliner? I'm gonna go in with my black eyeliner and kind of like outline my lip, kind of cross that out. That's not a perfect cross, but it is okay, because we're not gonna be perfect here. We are just ourselves. That did not work. I don't want to call some. This thing's childproof. I can't open it. Okay, got it. Just had to scrunch it a little bit. Now you're gonna kind of outline your lip. Oh, this smells so good. Yo, LA Colors, like, see, this is the type of red, luscious red, and it's LA Colors. LA Colors have the best smelling lipstick, lip gloss, lipsticks, lip colors. They have the best smelling stuff. For me, I prefer. Oh, I think we're looking cute. We're looking cute. Oh, I like this. Oh, I think I did it. I did it great this time. I think I did it this time. I think I did it. It's kind of like boom in your face out there, but not like too subtle. It's kind of like not too like edgy. It's like kind of like a little edgy glam, but kind of like chic, kind of like still assertive a little bit, kind of like a little subtle. I think this is me. This is like definitely me. This is the me that I truly always wanted to just show off and look, but this is definitely me. This is so me. I ain't trying to be too all boom in your face with it, but true, this is definitely me. I am liking this look. Where's my brush so I can do the blackness, because it might need just a little bit touch up. Needs like a little touch up. Use on nothing. But where's my brush so I can touch up my face? Shoot, I think we do it. I think it's all good and done. And check eyebrows. Kind of need a little pushback, but that's good. I think we did good. Shoot, that's me. Oh, shoot. Got highlighting a little bit. I think it's kind of like a little edgy, kind of like punk, mixed with glam, mixed with preppy a little bit. Almost forgot the most important part of this video. How can I almost forget? I forgot to do my eyelashes. Hello, did you forget to do something most important of all? Your eyelashes? Dude. I just remember after this, I'm like, wait, something's missing. I'm forgetting something. I forgot to do my eyelashes. Did you forget to do your eyelashes? I don't know, but I did. Comment down below parts of the video you liked about the makeup. Did you like the red lipstick, the glitter, the kind of like new, not so natural, but kind of more like a glam punk style? Or the Valentine lovely style? Well, if you love this Valentine look, I want you to comment down below this part, and I'll be right back, guys, with the finished final look. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below of which part of the video you like. For me, I definitely love how my eyeshadow came out because it looks perfect. But the makeup has lasted. My eyebrows still there, my eyeshadow still there. My lips are gone because I had 8, so that's it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you share this with your friends, your family members, your aunties, your uncles, all that good stuff. And don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, keys. Happy Red Week. Red Week.